This video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Pyas. Pyas is the ransomware that may unexpectedly start encrypting and damaging the files. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware. I want to show you what exactly this ransomware does. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you're able to open any of your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Pyas ransomware may be easily injected. It is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this Pyas extension additionally to the file names. The ransomware also drops this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and click on the Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Then the scanning will begin, and while the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It only removes this ransomware and protects your files from further ransomware or malware attacks. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we believe that upgrading to Premium is the best solution to keep your computer clean and to keep all your data always protected from further ransomware attacks.